A few people have. Anybody from out of town? Okay, whereabouts? Singapore. Oh, okay. Long way from home. Okay, you are on an original Edmonton streetcar. Here comes the train. Somebody has asked about the train just now. Here it comes. This car built in 1912, so it's over 100 years old.
100 years old.
It originally ran on the system in Edmonton until 1951 when they closed down the original streetcar system. Just wait till he goes. And then, when they closed the streetcar system down, they sold off all the bodies, the surviving cars, to anybody that wanted them. So farmers bought them, used them as outbuildings, people used them as holiday cottages. One recovered was used as a diner up in Dawson Creek in British Columbia. And it took years to restore them. If you look around the site, you can't see it well. You may be able to see at the end of the platform, under tarpaulins, and behind you, outside our car barns, there are other bodies waiting to be restored. We have 5 working cars down here at the moment. 3 of them are from Edmonton and 2 from Toronto. And we have another 3 that we operate up in Old Strathcona over the high level bridge. So we have 8 working cars and 2 in our car barns being restored at the moment. It takes literally years and lots of money to restore them. It's all done by voluntary work. So these cars are owned and operated by the Edmonton Radial Railway Society. So we're about 140 members. No, I think so I'll be taking you a journey back through time. So we will be going down this